Number 11. Beach day tomorrow. Mary and Sarah are talking about going to the beach. How are we going to get to the beach tomorrow?
I don't mind driving.
Sure, but won't it be so busy at 1 when we plan to go? We might not find a spot.
You're right. That's when everyone is there. What about going later, around 4? We can catch the sunset.
Sure, that sounds good.
Number 12. Traffic jam. Lucy and Warren are commuting to work together. I can't believe traffic is so bad.
I know. It's busier than normal. I wonder what's going on.
Maybe there's an accident? I'll check Google Maps and see what it says.
Sure.
Oh no, there are 2 accidents up ahead. It'll take us another hour to get to work. We'll both be late for sure.
I don't want to rush. There's no sense in getting into an accident.
Let me text our bosses to let them know. You focus on driving.
13. Stuck in a traffic jam. Richard is stuck in a traffic jam and telling Linda that he'll be late for their appointment. Hi, sorry, I'm going to be late for coffee.
Oh no. What time will you be here?
It's hard to say. There's a lot of traffic. I'll be as fast as I can.
Okay. Keep me updated, please. I need to leave in about an hour to pick up my kids from school.
I didn't know you needed to leave at a specific time. I'll try to hurry. Sorry again.
Sure.
14. At the market. Carrie and Trincy are at the farmer's market. Look how nice these tomatoes are. Should we get some? Sure. Let's make bruschetta tonight for dinner. Perfect. Then we'll need some garlic and basil too. And fresh bread. Definitely. Let's get some fruit too for lunch. Maybe some peaches or grapes. Okay. I also want to check out those cookies and cakes over there. There are so many good things here. I'm happy we decided to come. Me too. Look, homemade vegan samosas. Let's pick up a few of those for tomorrow. Perfect. I hope we have enough bags to carry all of this stuff. 15. Shopping plan. Harry and Mo are deciding on a shopping strategy at the supermarket. What do you think? Should we divide and conquer or stick together this week? How much stuff do we need to buy? Not that much. Just fruit and vegetables, milk, bread, and a couple of other things. Why don't we stick together then? It won't take very long to get all this stuff. Sure, but I get to push the cart, okay? It's my favorite. Whatever you want. Here, you hold the list too and cross off the stuff as we buy it. Okay, you're so bossy.